As DBAs, oftentimes we're challenged to explain what we're going to do to folks at the executive level or at the higher level who don't have the same understanding of databases that we do. And there's a very fine balance between making it completely dumbed down and sounding condescending versus keeping it techy enough that it makes sense to everyone. So my strategy is to find something that I understand that's relatable. And because I'm from Detroit, I use a lot of car metaphors that everyone can understand. For example, hey, we don't want to hook a 5,000-pound trailer to our NASCAR race car here, right? That's going to slow us down. We're going to lose the race, right? Hey, we want to make sure that all our tires are inflated to the right PSI, and we've got a full tank of gas before we begin on the race. Those type of analogies for me are typically pretty helpful, and you can typically find someone who relates to them very well. Because they're broad enough. And so you need to picture that and picture how what you're doing is going to make that impact. And then also, it's important that you understand it very well at a low level so that when folks are asking you a question, you can then turn that relationship, right, between all of your metaphors into something understandable. So it's a big challenge. It takes a while to work on it, and you have to have a teaching mindset, right? How am I going to relate this to somebody in an understandable way? Think about all the ways that someone has taught you things in the past and bring those kind of the forefront of your mind when you have an opportunity here to explain to someone who's a non-techie person.